Hey everybody, I have a haul for you today. I did some shopping at ellenhutson.com and also scrapbook.com, and I will have everything listed down below, so if you want to check it out, and if you're interested in any of the products that I share with you today, be sure to check out the description box below. So I'm first going to share what I got from Ellen Hutson, and I did recently do a video using this stamp set. It's the Mondo Sakura stamp, and I also use the die, and I will have a link to that video in the upper right hand corner so you could check it out if you haven't seen it already. And this stamp set is super gorgeous. You can mix and match the different words to create your own sentiment, and then also the die, it cuts around the flowers, and then these really intricate words. One says beautiful and the other says wonderful. And I really like Ellen Hutson's packaging because it's already the really thick plastic packaging, and then the two pieces that hold the stamp together are connected, which I really like. So just wanted to point that out. So that's that one. And like I said, I'll have everything listed down below, so if you are looking for something that I share, then be sure to check it out. The next one is Totally Random Sayings Volume 2. And again, you can mix and match the different words to create your own sentiment. And it says friend, thanks, sweetest, you really are, well, color me, deal, that's okay, you're kind of, A, N, and I like that it has A and N that way, separate, that way, you know, you can use the stamp set for a lot of different things too. Happy, best, and I like that there's 3 different fonts, and so yeah, that's that one. And then I got the Classic Block Alpha, and really like this size. Show you guys. Got that one. And then I also picked up this here, this die. It says you are loved. It's Altenew, and nice size, and I love the font too, so really like that one. And then I also picked up the Altenew Teacher's Rule stamp set. I planned on using this for my teacher appreciation gifts, but I have a few different teacher stamp sets, but I just always go back to the Verve stamp, the what is it called? I forget exactly what the stamp set is called, but I'll try to link it down below, the one that I used in the teacher gifts that I did this year. But I really liked the fonts and the different sentiments on this stamp set, so I'll probably end up using it next year, but for this year I just went with one that I really liked and have used since Mateo was in kindergarten, I think, 1st grade maybe. Yeah, and he's now going into junior high next year, so I've used it quite a lot. And the next stamp set I got is this one from My Favorite Things. It is all about mom, and I like that it has 2 different moms. And then, I'm so lucky to have you, I love you mom, I want to be you when I grow up, for my sweet mom, happy Mother's Day, with love to an extraordinary woman, or mom, I'm sorry. I couldn't have asked for a better mom. I will never be able to thank you enough. You're my greatest teacher and my best friend. Mom, you deserve the best. That's why you had me. Everyone needs a backup mom, and you're mine. Best mom ever. So really nice stamp set for Mother's Day, which is coming up this weekend. And then I also got the dies to cut out the mom, which technically I probably didn't need, but I just did. And I also got this for, I'm sorry, My Favorite Things, and it's called Star Graduate. It says congrats graduate, and then it has the little stars on there. Really like that one. And then I got this die. It is called Congrats for My Favorite Things. And I really liked the font. You can use this for a lot of different things. I also picked up the Yupo paper, and I haven't used this before. And I also picked up the alcohol mini applicator tool and some of the alcohol blending solution. I am loving the techniques that I've seen using the alcohol inks. And then I picked up also, because I saw in Corin's, I'm hoping I'm pronouncing her name right, video. I will have a link to her video that I saw, her technique where she used the Gilding Flakes, and I just got these as well. And I thought I didn't like glitter because it gets everywhere. This stuff definitely takes the cake. You definitely want to use a box or something because this stuff flies everywhere. It's all over my floor and everything. I haven't vacuumed it up yet, but I can't wait to try it out using the technique that she did, where she did the alcohol ink, and then I think she, after it was a little sticky or something, or she added extra glue to some of the areas and then put the Gilding Flakes on it. Her card was super gorgeous, so I had to pick that up as well. And then I got some more Distress Oxide inks. I got the Faded Jeans, Salty Ocean, and I can't remember if I've shared this one yet, but it's Tattered Rose. It's still in the packaging, so I'm guessing that I haven't shared it yet. But that is all from Ellen Hutson, and I'm going to move this stuff out of the way and show you what I got from scrapbook.com. Alright, so the travel stamp platform has been out for quite a while, and I got it when it first hit the stores for scrapbook.com, and I used it, and I'm going to be honest and say that I'm a little bit disappointed, only because a lot of people have complained about it not, the regular size, not stamping in like the corner area, or like, let me show you. Like this part, if the stamp is on this part, this one is worse. I didn't really have an issue with the regular size one, but this one, I have to have it right in the middle of the platform, and it kind of defeats the purpose, because I really only use the stamp platform when I am double stamping, and I have to have it somewhere where I can easily put it back where it needs to go. So I'm kind of disappointed. I probably will still use it, or I might just let Abby use it because it's smaller. But I will have a link down below. I got this from scrapbook.com, but I think Blitsy has them in stock right now. Scrapbook.com does not. But yeah, that's the only issue. I do like the size of it a lot, and it's all, you know, obviously the same. Nice, sturdy and everything, but it just does not stamp if you have it close to the left hand side here. So yeah, just wanted to point that out and give an honest little review there. That's why it's in the box and not available for me to use, because I will be using it, I'm sorry, I won't probably be using it that often. So yeah, that's the travel stamp platform. Again, I like the size, I just don't like that you can't get a nice stamped image. Even I've tried to stamp it a few times, it just does not stamp part of the image when it's closer to that side. So yeah. Okay, so again, I have another order, and I got it from scrapbook.com, and I'm just going to show you really quickly what I got. So I got the collage papers, a couple of them, from Tim Holtz. So this one is the Botanical, and this one is the Aviary, and I'm just going to show you. I haven't used it yet, but I'm just going to show you what it looks like. So it's a little transparent, and it's It's going to be really cool on some art journal pages and stuff. So, and you get quite a bit. Let's see if it says on here how much you get. 6 yards. So it's a decent amount. And I'm just going to put that back in here. And I like that it comes in this tube. So again, I got the botanical and then the aviary. And I also got some washi tapes from Prima. Let's see if these have a name. It just says decorative tape. I'll have all of the links down below. So these are the ones that I got. This comes with 4. And I just like these because these would be really cool on art journal pages, mixed media projects, and of course, I love the butterflies. Love these butterflies. Let's see if I can get that in focus here. There we go. So this one's a little wider, and then this one as well. So show you the difference if you could see. And then these are, this one is more like a standard size, I think, and then this one is just slightly wider than what you would typically get in a washi tape. It has butterflies and script and stuff on there. Come on, focus. There we go. So that's those. And again, I like that they come in these tubes. Well, can't get them back in just right yet, but well, yeah, there we go. All right, I also got more of these flowers that I shared last time in my Santorini haul video. I could not help but get more. I didn't, even though I got 4 packs of, no, did I get 4 packs of each? I got 2 packs of each last time as well. I couldn't get myself to use them yet, so I had to get more. And I got the blue, this pink, and then these ones here. So I love these flowers. And then I got the 6x6 Santorini paper collection. I will have a link in the upper right hand corner right here if you are interested in checking out the haul for this paper collection. Oh, this is not foiled. I wonder if the A4 stack is foiled. Anyways, so yeah, so that is the 6x6 paper. And then I picked up this penny black die. It says follow your heart. I thought it would be a really nice title or sentiment either for a card, but I thought it would be nice for a layout or a art journal page because of the size, and I like the font. So let's see. And then that's the actual size, so it says follow your heart. And I think it would be pretty easy to kind of cut them out if you wanted to have them separate, the words. And then I decided to try out the Crafters Workshop Light and Fluffy Modeling Paste. I think this is probably like the light paste, so that's why I wanted to try it out. And I didn't even really read the how big it was, or I should say small. So it's only 2 ounces in there, and I think it was like $5. So you don't really get a lot in my opinion, but I will definitely be trying this out soon to compare it to the light paste, which I absolutely love, just to have a little comparison. So not exactly sure when I'll be able to do that, but I got that just to try out. And I also got some of the new Ken Oliver Color Burst colors. So I got Night Sky, Terrestrial, and Deep Space. So these go with the space he has a collection of them. I think there's 2 more and like a metal color. But I didn't get the whole thing. I just felt I wanted these 3 colors for now. So that's why I got those. And then I picked up these wood veneers from Kaiser Craft. I thought these would be really nice on layouts or cards. Mainly layouts, just to give a little title. So it says, be beautiful, you are loved, be you, choose happiness, you got this, live a big life. So I thought those were really nice for layouts. And then last but not least, I purchased some of these shutters. I saw Stacy Young's, I think it was an acrylic album, and she had this one on the cover of it, and I just fell in love, and I had to get a couple, so I got those. I think that's it. I think that is all of what I purchased in the last couple weeks. Like I said, everything will be listed down below. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, I would love for you to subscribe so you do not miss out on any of my videos, and be sure to hit that bell button to be notified when I upload a video. Leave me a comment down below and tell me what your favorite product is, if you have any of this stuff, or what is on your wish list. And I want to thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys later. Bye!